we're going to slide from the 2nd fret on the G string to the 4th, and then we grab that 3rd fret of the B and we don't hear either of these on the slide back. Only sliding, you only hear, in other words, you're only pressing down on the slide up, and on the way back you're just sliding without hitting a note. And then the last time you're gonna pick from the 4 and pull it down to the 2. And as it goes to the 2, you pull that off and bring it over to the 2nd fret of the D. So we got, which is going to be 5-3-5 on the A string. And then we go 1-3 on the low string. And you could use your ring finger. I'm using my pinky, you know. It's comfortable to just hold my hand like this, but then 4-5, that note. So right into the line again. So pause, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got to go a 7th on the A string. Then we're going to do 6 on the D string, and then 9 on the D string, and it's quick. I think SRV was using his ring finger. I use my pinky more. Okay, so you got, so we got to go to the 5th fret of the A string. Then to the root.